So for breakfast, I'm going to have my favorite, which are pancakes, yellow plantain, and meatless sausages with blueberries and a glass of orange juice. And I love to use this maple agave syrup on my pancakes and even on my oatmeal. It's so good. So for lunch, I was really craving some porridge, so I decided to make some peanut porridge. I have a plantain porridge video up on my channel if you guys want to check that out. It's very similar, so it's just basically like eating oatmeal with peanuts and plantain. It's so delicious. Throughout my meal prep, I prepare enough food for both me and my boyfriend, so throughout the video you're going to see 2 plates of food, and we usually just eat the same things. Unfortunately, I lost some of my footage, but that's cool because I got it pre-recorded on my Snapchat. And basically, I just made some fish in the oven with some tomatoes and some butter, and I also baked some carrots and some sweet yams. And then I made some quinoa, Jamaican style with coconut milk, and I steamed some asparagus. So that was for my lunch as well as a smoothie. Hope you guys enjoy.
It's not for me to say